Hello Tiny Tellers and welcome back indeed. So we've got something a little bit different for you today, as you guys requested in the poll that you wanted to see more of the hotel reviews. So we have landed ourselves back in Blackpool, and for only one thing and one thing only, to go and do a hotel review. We took a few days trying to figure out which hotel to review on, and the one that we thought would be good to do, that we didn't really give it too much care of, is go back and do the Airbnb hotel and give the full hotel review of that place. Because last time we went in there, we didn't give it too much of love when we did a small TikTok shot of it, and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna head over to the Airbnb to give it some love and attention that I already need. Not many people know about this hotel. I would say it's our Blackpool, but not too far out of Blackpool. It's one of a kind hotel where each room is full to its own potential of its very own theme style rooms. So without further ado, we're going to take you to the Airbnb and give you a tour around. So back in a tick, guys. So we have just got ourselves checked in and walked through the door. So without further ado, let's give you a bit of a tour of our hotel at the Airbnb, and you guys might actually get interested in this one and quite like it. So let's give you a bit of tour in that. So starting off with is the lovely Sam right here. Is that inside is a bathroom, but we'll get onto that one. But the main entertainment is the ensuite lounge. Is ensuite lounge slash, like, it's like a mini
movie room, like kitchen.
Movie slash what is it? Kitchen, minibar type areas, and that you gotta give it to, guys. This is absolutely ace. You got a projector there. You got a bit of a mini bar. I have checked, the mini bar is basically, I think it's empty anyway, where you can store your stuff up. Yeah, it's empty. That's not too bad though, 'cause you gotta love it. Complimentary. We've got some complimentary tea and coffee, milk and that. Kettle. Looking literally spot on clean, but what you expect, it's the Airbnb. They are quite unique and quite absolutely. They keep up to the date themselves with cleanliness, and I've got to prove it. As I say on their websites and that. But for on, let's move on. Right, we've got with this ensuite minibar. We have a nice decor building of it. Some couple of wine glasses and tumblers under there. There and that. Projectors, cocktails, cereal bowls, and a couple of empty, what was it? Cupboards and all. And of course, we've got an ensuite that looks like it's working absolutely fine and all that stuff. But yeah, it's a little bit weird to be coming into an ensuite room for the first time from our eyes as well. And that to see a couple of couches, projector, and a mini bar slash kitchen, if you want to call it. The decor is absolutely on point. It's kind of unique, I may say. So it gives it a bit of a artistic freshness to it and all that stuff. And we're in a hotel called the hotel room is really an audience with, well, yeah. If anyone knows what that is, let us know down in the comments, because I ain't not got a clue with that one at all. All in that. We do have a bunch of complimentary DVDs to watch as well. Hangover, Cinderella Story, The Hunger Games, Sam's already thing, and also like the Ballad of Songs and Snakes as well, the recent one. So Sam's already cursing on that one for tonight. So if there's any rescue team, please send out. Yeah. Apart from that, we get a lovely view of the promenade as well at the bottom of the Metropole Hotel. So no, it's not looking too bad. It's the top floor of the building here at the Art Hotel. It is absolutely amazing and smashing to be here as well. But yeah, loving the blue style couch, and that goes well with the carpet, the table, and the wallpaper. So the decor in here is already on point. That I can say from here, that it makes you makes you feel like it's already at home at the same time and that. I won't live here every day because it's not really advisable to live here there. But for a week, to live here for like a week, yeah, definitely worth it. Because not with the just with the entertainment that you get with the projector, and the rest of the decor that you get in this thing and surround sound. We're going to move on and show you around with the bedroom that Sam is kind of lovely going to doing that. So in here is a fabulous little what is it, like a beige coloured room or something like that. You've got the same style wording on the edge. I say we've already got our luggage there already. Got a smart TV. It has got, I think it's got YouTube on. Not sure. Didn't check. Not gonna check, but we'll let you know. It's got iron, aircon, a nice little desk. That's, I think, pretty sure it's empty. Holy Bible. No, sorry, that's getting close. We don't do Bibles. Yeah, they're both empty. And bed test. Not going to do the bed test because I'm too scared to basically ruin that because that looks too perfect to sit on. But it does look comfy in that. We did try it earlier on, but it was actually comfy to sit in. Another audience with a thing that top theme and thing. If anyone knows, remind me. Leave a comment down below on the comment and drop a like and subscribe as well if you're enjoying this bit of the area. So yeah, as I say, another nice view of the promenade of the sea the front. It is looking a bit rough up there, but it's a bit windy as well. Got a nice little decor of window, a little Blackpool poster of the Ocean Hotel, telling that specialising all the acts that used to be in Blackpool over the years and all that stuff. So yeah, the room in here is not too bad or anything like that. Sham's being shy because you don't want to talk too much. That's usual. That's all right. But it's kind of cozy as well. It gives you that homely feeling, as you'll know what I mean on that subject of it all. But yeah, all in all, this room is absolutely amazing. What you get for the value of it. I shall, at the end of the video, I'll tell you how much it came to at the end of the cost as well. You'll be kind of amazed how much it actually came to at this place, staying at the Airbnb. You'll find out. Stay tuned if you want to find out. So we're going to take you along the bathroom. So the bathroom is just as you come through on the ensuite lounge and that. It's absolutely tidy and clean, fresh. No dirt, no nothing. It is spit clean. It's something that you appreciate in a hotel, and it's hard to find hotels like this in Blackpool. And the Airbnb is literally on point, even with the even with their logo branding on towels as well. It is literally on point as well. We've got a bath slash shower. We've got a rain shower on top of there. It's normally I would like to do a hotel meme of what was it with how many people it can fit in there, but I'm not going to be able to fit in there. It's like 2 people at most in there, I'm going to say. So walk with me, team. If you go to that channel, you'll see what I mean. But can't do that, bud. But yeah, stand about 2 people in there in average, but it looks absolutely clean. No fault to it. It's fresh. It does get looked after in this place as well. We've got a drinking cup, some hand wash as well, so it's not looking too bad at all. All in that, and a hairdryer that's hung up perfectly well. Well in that so far. So, what's your thoughts of this room?
It's actually pretty decent, to be fair. I'm quite amazed compared to like the room we stayed in last year.
Yeah.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. So if you remember in the last Airbnb, we stayed in the one low bit, the one in it was the McCoy room. It was kind of small. It just had the bedroom and the slash ensuite bathroom as well. It were perfectly well. It were fine. We enjoyed it and all that stuff in that, and so on. So moment of truth, right? How much did we pay for this? We would normally tell you the next following day, but we've got a lot to do, and we don't. I don't think we're gonna have time to tell you the next day and all that stuff. Because as soon as we wake up, we're gonna be out and doing something else. So, how much did we pay for this room? We paid £190 for 2 days, for 2 days stay at this place at the Airbnb. You can not knock it for the price that you get here. The staff is absolutely amazing. I'm getting you off shy. I'm sorry. I do apologise. I'm too used to it. Yeah, the staff is absolutely amazing. Amazing. They are warm and they're welcome. They will help you out in anything that you would actually need and you can't knock it. This hotel is worth staying at the Airbnb. It is clean. It is fresh. It is up to date. You cannot find anything wrong in this room compared to any other places in Blackpool that you normally stay in.
Within the price, you get a complimentary breakfast as well.
Yeah.
In the mornings.
So for each night you stay, they now do a complimentary breakfast. It's not like a full English breakfast, more the healthy side of it.
It's like fruit cereal,
porridge, and all that stuff. It's a continental breakfast, not a fry up. So if you're into that bit, that's totally fine. If not, you're more than welcome to go out and get an English breakfast from Wetherspoons or anything like that, locally around the place of Blackpool, wherever you may stay in. But yeah, my rating of this place, 190 quid to 200 quid, and for near enough 200 quid, it's definitely a 10 out of 10 at this place. I can't knock it. It's definitely worth coming here, guys. If you have not been here, come here to the Airbnb. You would not disappoint yourself at all at this place and that. Have you got anything to say?
Yeah, I'm pretty amazed at the size of the room, to be fair.
Yeah, the size of the room is amazing, guys. But yeah, without further ado, I shall see you all later as Tiny Tellers. It's been a pleasure doing this room tour for you. You guys wanted it back. We're doing it back. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content. But without further ado, see you in the next content of our travel vlogs. Keep adventuring, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.